number one rule. Keep our head straight. We want our head to go straight to target. Where do most right-handers want to take their head?
Yeah.
Off to the left, towards our glove. Any idea what might cause that? Why would we want our...
Because our bodies are used to it. Because our glove is too high.
Oh, our glove could be swimming out here, right? If our glove's over here, we're no good. Maybe we're just stepping too far that way. So there's two things that could make the head go that way, right? If you step way out, or your glove comes way out, your head could go that way. So where do we want our head to go? Straight. Does anybody remember the first thing we checked today? It was the first thing I checked. No? We were in that corner. Way back. Nah, we were in that corner like way back in the beginning of class. And I gave each one of you a baseball. And I told you to grab your grip. And what was the grip rule?
Cut the ball in half.
With what two fingers?
Middle finger and thumb.
Very good. Middle finger and thumb, cut the ball in half. That's what we call the grip rule, right? Then we went to the head straight rule, right? Number one rule. Then we went to something called, what was it?
Opposite and equal.
Good, opposite and equal. And opposite and equal means what? Anybody say that? What does opposite and equal mean?
And like, this is like Cole Hamels.
Okay. All right, Cole Hamels like this, or Roy Halladay's like this.
Wait, how do you know he likes
I've seen video. Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
There's
so
pictures of him in the front.
we do have some pictures in the front. That's another way you can check it out. You can always go look at pictures, right? Any pictures or baseball cards, sometimes they have their opposite and equals on there. Gavin said it right though, it's the same on both sides, right? Opposite and equal is the same on both sides. Is this the same? Yes. I know this one doesn't look the same, but it's the same. It's the same angle, just sideways. And then this is the same too, right? Is this the same?
No.
No, that's when we get in trouble. And when we want to fix one, what's the first one we try to fix? The glove. Good. We want to make it opposite equal. Once we go opposite and equal, what do we do with the glove? Do we swim it out to the side? Good. We keep it in front of us and we bring our chest to the glove. Now, I know this is the one thing everybody goes home and looks up and they try to find out. And it's awesome. I want you to do that. I want you to go home and look at that. Look at video of pitchers and see if they pull the glove. Because it looks like they do when they're in a game. But I promise you they don't. Get a side view video and watch them go. Okay? Up until they let go of the ball, their glove is in front of their chest and they're going to it. You right there, Gav? You need to drink water or anything? They're not pulling it off to the side, okay? So we want to go to the glove. Now, I have a video and I've seen videos where pitchers end with their glove back on their back, right? We've all seen it. But what happens is this, watch. They go to their glove, they throw it, and then after they let go, the glove will end up behind them. Why don't we like to do that?
Because if the ball comes out, it's a safety hazard.
Right, so it's a safety hazard, I like it. If that ball gets hit back at you and your hand's behind you, you might have a tough time getting that glove back in front of you to catch the ball, right? So if it has to be here when we're letting go of it, we might as well leave it here after we let go.
Like a ball's coming at you.
Sure. Does anybody know who Giancarlo Stanton is?
Yes.
He plays for the Miami Marlins. Do you know him? He hit a ball last year that went off the scoreboard at Miami. Do you remember it broke it?
Yeah.
Do you remember? It knocked the lights out. It left his bat at 120 miles an hour. That's how fast it left his bat. Isn't that crazy?
Wait, he's a lefty?
He's a righty. Yeah, he's a righty. So if we have that ball coming back at us pretty quick, now, are we going to have it coming back 120 miles an hour where we play? No.
It's probably not coming like 30.
Yeah, probably 40 maybe a 50 max, right? But we want to have that glove in front of us just in case, okay? What drill did we do today? What drill to practice our pitching against the wall?
You like put our legs out.
Okay, it was called a Hershiser drill. What do? You lift your leg and hit the wall with what?
Hit.
Hit. Very good. And you guys said that was to get more momentum and power. Very good. And that's exactly it. That's exactly it. When I sit up on the mound, do I want to be super wide? Or do I want to be pretty narrow? Why?
Because if you're super wide, you're going to be like all over the place.
What am I going to move when I lift my leg? Good, my head. And what's one thing, Tom? Your setup was big. When we got to the mountain, you were pretty good down here. Everything's mechanically pretty good. But when you got to the mountain, setup was a big deal, right? Just trying to get you a little straighter, a little more narrow, so that way when you lift, you go. Make sense? You guys did awesome.